Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll delve into different types of communication and how they shape our interactions. So, let's jump right in. Communication can be classified into two main types, verbal communication and nonverbal communication. Let's start with verbal communication. Verbal communication involves the use of spoken or written words to convey messages. It encompasses the sounds, speech, words, and language that we use to express ourselves. Verbal communication can be further divided into two subtypes, oral communication and written communication. Oral communication involves the transmission of messages through speech. It includes face-to-face conversations, phone calls, chats, radio broadcasts, television programs, and videos. Oral communication is influenced by factors such as clarity of speech, choice of words, volume, and pitch. It allows for immediate feedback and understanding through facial expressions and nonverbal cues. On the other hand, written communication takes the form of written or printed words. It includes emails, letters, reports, and other written documents. Written communication offers the advantage of being revised and edited, and it provides a record for future reference and backups. Now, let's explore nonverbal communication, which involves the transmission of messages without the use of words. Nonverbal communication relies on non-linguistic representations to convey meaning. It includes elements such as appearance, surroundings, body language, gestures, eye contact, facial expressions, and tone of voice. There are various types of nonverbal communication. Haptic communication involves the sense of touch, such as hugs and kisses. Kinesics or gestures involve body movements and hand gestures. Facial expressions convey emotions and intentions, while proxemics refers to the use of personal space at different distances. Other types of nonverbal communication include chronemics, which examines the role of time in conversations, oculesics, which focuses on eye movements and behavior, and paralanguage, which involves aspects like the speed of speaking, pitch, voice modulation, breaks, and pauses. In addition to verbal and nonverbal communication, we also have intrapersonal communication, which occurs within oneself. Intrapersonal communication is influenced by our feelings, biases, prejudices, values, ethics, moods, and beliefs. Moving on, we have interpersonal or dyadic communication, which takes place between two individuals. It forms the basis of our daily interactions and relationships. Intragroup or multi-dyadic communication occurs within a group or among more than two individuals. It plays a crucial role in collaborative efforts and team dynamics. Intergroup or association communication involves communication between two groups. It plays a significant role in fostering cooperation, resolving conflicts, and building relationships between different entities. Organizational or institutional communication refers to communication within business enterprises. It encompasses both formal and informal channels and plays a crucial role in achieving organizational goals. Public communication involves addressing a larger audience where their queries and concerns can be heard and addressed. This type of communication often occurs in public speaking engagements, town hall meetings, or conferences. Mass communication involves reaching a large audience through various media channels. It can be electronic, such as television, or print, such as magazines and newspapers. Unlike other forms of communication, mass communication typically does not provide immediate feedback from the audience. Lastly, we have formal communication, which is based on authority and organizational structures. It can be categorized into upward communication, downward communication, horizontal communication, and diagonal communication. Upward communication involves messages from subordinates to those in higher positions. Downward communication refers to messages from top-level management to subordinates. Horizontal communication involves communication among colleagues at the same level, while diagonal communication occurs between different departments or levels within an organization. Understanding the various types of communication is essential in navigating the complexities of human interaction. By honing your communication skills in different contexts, you can foster better relationships, collaboration, and understanding. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on communication. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore effective communication techniques in detail. Until then, keep communicating effectively.